Welcome back to Tech Vibe, where we dive deep into the tech that moves us, powers us, and helps us explore the world like never before. Today's review is dedicated to a device made for people who don't just live near the water, they live on it. I'm talking about none other than the Garmin Quatix 8. If you're a boater, sailor, angler, or someone who wants a smartwatch that blends marine functionality with elite multisport features, the Quatix 8 is a serious contender. Grab your life jacket or your training shoes, because this is one of the most versatile watches Garmin has made. At first glance, the Garmin Quatix 8 oozes sophistication. It doesn't scream marine tech like you might expect. Instead, it impresses with a refined build quality, robust construction, and a premium design. It's a watch you could wear at a yacht club dinner and then take out to sea. The build consists of a stainless steel or titanium bezel, a sapphire lens, and a rugged fiber-reinforced polymer case. This ensures it's not only light but also durable enough to handle rough environments. Its 47mm size strikes a balance between readability and comfort, making it suitable for daily use. Underneath the sleek exterior, the Quatix 8 is a powerhouse. It's built on the same platform as the Garmin Fenix 7, packed with high-end features like multi-band GNSS, topographic maps, heart rate monitoring, pulse ox, and more. But what sets it apart is its dedicated suite of marine-focused features. For boaters and sailors, this is more than a watch, it's a wrist-worn control hub. With full integration for Garmin Marine Electronics, you can view NMEA 2000 boat data directly from your wrist. This includes speed, depth, temperature, wind, data, and more. It even allows autopilot control, letting you steer straight from your watch. Imagine being at the helm, stepping away, and still being able to make course corrections or check RPMs. That's the kind of edge the Quatix 8 offers. It doesn't stop there. You get anchor, drag alerts, tide data, and access to Blue Chart G3 coastal charts. This makes the Quatix 8 invaluable for offshore navigation. With built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and ANT, it syncs with your Garmin onboard sensors, and even third-party devices like fish finders and autopilots. Let's talk about what makes it great beyond the water. The Quatix 8 is a full-featured multi-sport smartwatch. Runners, cyclists, swimmers, hikers, and strength trainers will find the performance tools they expect from Garmin. It includes VO2 max, HRV status, training load, recovery time, and stamina insights. Runners will appreciate the advanced dynamics and Garmin Coach integration. Cyclists get compatibility with power meters, cadence sensors, and structured workouts. Swimmers can train in open water or pools with automatic stroke detection. Gym lovers get automatic rep counting, strength workout animations, and interval timers. The watch even includes golf features, with yardages to the green, hazards, and shot tracking on over 42,000 preloaded courses. If you're someone who splits time between the fairway and the marina, this is your dream wearable. Like any premium Garmin, the Quatix 8 supports activity profiles for skiing, snowboarding, rowing, paddleboarding, yoga, Pilates, HIIT, and more. It's ready for anything. One of the most remarkable aspects of the Quatix 8 is battery life. In smartwatch mode, it delivers up to 16 days per charge. With GPS mode active, expect up to 42 hours. Using multiband GNSS, it still gives around 32 hours. In expedition mode, you can stretch battery life up to 21 days. That's impressive, especially considering the sensors and real-time metrics running in the background. Battery efficiency is boosted by Power Manager tools, letting you optimize runtime by adjusting brightness, turning off pulse ox, or limiting sensors. Charging is simple, using Garmin's standard clip-in cable. A full charge takes just under 2 hours. Most users will only need to charge it once every week or two. A huge convenience for travelers and long-distance athletes. The 8 features dual-frequency GNSS with GPS, GLONASS, and Galileo support. This means fast lock-on and reliable positioning even in challenging environments. It supports breadcrumb trail navigation, trackback routing, and turn-by-turn directions for trail use. With topographic, ski, and marine maps built in, it's incredibly versatile. The display features a 1.3 always-on MIP screen with 260 by 260 resolution. It's not OLED intentionally. MIP displays are ultra-readable in bright sunlight and consume far less power, making them ideal for marine and outdoor use. The screen is crisp and visible in direct sun, which is crucial on the water. Touchscreen support works alongside the 5-button layout, providing a seamless experience whether you're tapping or using gloves. From a smart feature standpoint, the Quatix 8 delivers notifications for calls, texts, emails, and apps sync directly from your phone. It supports Garmin Pay for contactless payments. Music storage is available with Spotify, Amazon Music, and Deezer. You can pair Bluetooth headphones and leave your phone behind during workouts or water activities. There's no voice assistant, but that trade-off allows better battery life and reliability. Health tracking is strong. The Quatix 8 monitors heart rate, respiratory rate, blood oxygen, stress levels, and sleep stages. Sleep tracking is detailed, with REM, deep, and light sleep, along with recovery suggestions. Body battery helps you understand your daily energy levels. Combined with HRV and health snapshots, it offers a full view of your wellness and readiness. The watch is water-rated to 10 ATM, meaning it handles depths of 100 meters. Whether you're diving, wakeboarding, or just caught in a storm, the watch can take it. It's built for abuse. Saltwater, mud, sand, and sweat are part of its world. Garmin's QuickFit bands make it easy to switch straps for sports or formal events. The interface is clean and intuitive. Widgets provide quick access to tide data, compass, altimeter, barometer, and more. Marine-specific watch faces show tide graphs, sun-moon phases, and course data at a glance. With Connect IQ, you can download custom watch faces, apps, and data fields to make it truly yours. Pairing with the Garmin Connect app gives you deep analytics, route planning, goal setting, and more. You can join challenges, monitor trends, and sync with apps like Strava or MyFitnessPal. Sync is reliable over Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. Usage-wise, the Quatix 8 thrives in both professional and recreational settings. Fishermen get tide data, moon, phases, and waypoint marking. Sailors get tack assist, race timers, and streaming boat data. Divers and watersport lovers enjoy durability and accurate GPS. Multisport athletes get Fenix performance combined with marine tools all in one device. Of course, it's not perfect. The price is premium, making it best suited for serious users. No LTE means you'll need a phone nearby. And while the display is great outdoors, it lacks the vibrancy of AMOLED competitors. But those trade-offs are intentional. Garmin prioritized battery life, durability, and performance. In short, the Garmin Quatix 8 is a masterclass in smartwatch design for marine life. It's more than a fitness watch, it's a navigation tool, training companion, and safety device. With elite hardware, deep customization, and cross-sport versatility. It's built for serious explorers on sea and land. If you live an active life that blends land and water, few wearables compare. Garmin created a device that adapts to everything life throws at you, with grit, grace, and precision. Thanks again for joining us here at Tech Vibe. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the Garmin Quatix 8, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our future tech drops. Let us know in the comments, is the Quatix 8 your perfect adventure watch? Or do you have another Garmin device in mind for review? Until next time, stay bold, stay curious, and keep exploring with Tech Vibe.